In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your Deepseek language. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, if you want to change your language in Deepseek, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile menu, and to do that, tap on your profile image down here. And from this, tap on settings. And under settings, you can see we have language. Currently, it is using system language. If you want to change this to any language, you can see we have Chinese and also we have English. Go ahead and choose the language that you so wish and then close the window. Now, from this point, your language will be changed instantly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.